Today we are going to be using tabletop green screens. Our green screens are made out of some A3 backing paper with some sticks that are just cereal boxes covered in the paper and then cut down. Alternatively, blue paper and blue sticks can be used. We also need some characters for our story. Today we are going to use snowmen, but you could use Father Christmas and the snowmen on either of the screens. So first of all, we need our background. We're going to go onto the camera app and scan the QR code that will come up in a minute. This will take you to unsplash.com, which has lots of free backgrounds. Once you're on Unsplash, you can scroll down, have a look at the different options for backgrounds. When you've found one that you like, simply hold on to it, click, and then press Add to Photographs. This will now appear in your photos in your iPad. You can check that by going into the photos and checking that it's there. Here is the QR code. Now you need to get your friend to record you as you move your two characters on your green screen to create your movement, your animation. Make sure when you are doing this that it is just the green screen that's been recorded and your characters are in the middle. Now we are going to open the iMovie app. We're going to press on the plus to create a new movie and click on Movie. We're going to press Create Movie at the bottom. Here we have the timeline. The first thing we need to add is the background, which is in Photos. So click Photos and click the background. Press the plus and it will appear on your timeline. We need to add your animation over the top, but our photo needs to be longer, so simply click on it till the yellow lines appear and drag the white line to make your photo approximately 14 to 15 seconds. Now click back on Media twice and go into Video. Click All at the top. Before you do this, make sure the timeline is right at the beginning of your photograph, as we are going to add the video over the top. Click All, find the video that you have just recorded, your animation. Click on it, but this time we do not click the plus, we click the three dots. Then click on green, blue screen and wait for the magic to happen. Now when you go back to the beginning and press play, your animation will appear on your background. Add in a second scene. First of all, make sure your movie and picture are the same length by shortening them by clicking on them and using the line. Click on to your media again and select Photos and select your second background. Click the Add button to add it in. Remember to make sure the line is back at the start of your photo and go to your video and add in your second recording. Remember, when adding your second recording, we do not press the plus but the three dots and green blue screen. Now we have both of our scenes. Make sure they are the right length and we are ready to add some sound. Click on Audio and on Sound Effects and we can choose some sounds. Move the line, the white line, to where you want to add the sounds before clicking the plus, and click the plus and it will drop the sound in. You can add several sounds and special effect sounds to your recording. You can shorten the sounds by clicking on them till the yellow line appears and then moving them, the white line, to shorten them. Now we're ready to narrate our story. Click on the microphone, press on the record button, wait for the 3-second counter and then start narrating your story over the top of your video. Once you have finished, click Accept and your sound will be added to the bottom of your video. I hope you enjoy creating your Christmas video.